and then the next day just pop. Then we have Maseksek on this side here. This is down on the beach too. It's Newsen. People are trying to kill it, but it's a good medicine for babies too. They have sore mouth or uh, the kids are, sort of like really bad pasmo when they get cold and
Cold sore,
yeah,
fever,
cold sore, fever,
yeah,
yeah, and
fever,
all that.
sore.
Then we add one, this one with the tumaga. So like I said, when we're gonna do the kids to when the kids cannot eat and they cannot suck or nothing, drink or nothing can. So they'll one lady come over here because she's been going to the doctor and she begged me because I've been so busy and I said, well, I look at the baby and the saliva just coming down. So what I do is I went out and I picked like all the plants. I asked which one I should get. And the most important too is the amagosu, and you know that they cover the amagosu so I won't see it until I pray, and then it's just right next to my foot. So, and I ask, not for me, for the baby. So I do, massage the baby, the stomach, and I keep gazing that, and just it stops. And I won't let them, let their mother go on the baby as well.